honeys, it's Ams, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for the support. So today's video, I have a new unit from Luvme hair, and as you can see already, this color is giving. I think this color is so pretty. I really like it, and the hair is soft, so that is a plus. And this color is a 1B mixed with a chestnut brown in this deep wave. Also, it's a HD lace, and as you can see, it came with an elastic band. It's 20-inch hair. Showing you the construction of this cap, as you can see, it is full lace and it already has a tint to it. There's 4 clips and another adjustable band. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair with my Chestnut conditioner, and I'll be right back. I'm using the True Match Lace Conceal in the shade Tan, and I am tinting my lace to really match my skin tone. I really love this product. I've mentioned it several times before in my other videos. So I spray about 2 coats, then I dry, and if I feel like that I need another coat, I just put 1 more coat, so no more than 2 to 3 coats, and I blow dry it and make sure it's extra dry. Forgot to show you guys, but the shedding was minimum after the co-wash. Now I am plucking around the hairline. I don't like to pluck too much in the front of the hairline. I like to section the hair off and start plucking behind the front part. And then from there, I just do just a little bit of plucking. I don't pluck too much on curly units just because they do shed a little bit more. So just enough to have kind of like a natural hairline. I decided that I wanted to part the hair, and I parted it on the left side, and normally I part on the right side, but I thought this would be something different because at first I thought I should do a middle part, but changed my mind, so here we are. But I'm gonna lightly just spritz the hair with water and get the hair damp, and then I'm gonna start to define the curls. So when defining my color treated wigs, I try to make sure that the hair is really drenched wet, and I apply a lot of products. So I'll be using the Lotta Body mousse, and it has worked really great in my curly units that I have been styling in the past. So far I've been using it for the last probably year or 2, and I really like this product. So if you're interested in it, please check in the description box below for all the products that I'm using in this video. But yeah, I'm just putting it all throughout the hair, and as you can see, these curls are looking good. Look at that definition. Alright, so I'm just going to give you guys some more texture shots so you can see how pretty this deep wave hair is. It is gorgeous. I love it so far. Sometimes I let my hair air dry, but this time I'm using the diffuser because I'm ready to style this unit. I didn't want to wait hours for my hair to dry. I had some things I needed to get done, so I went ahead and used the diffuser to dry it and try to define the curls. But you just have to be careful because sometimes when you dry too fast, especially color treated hair, it can start to get frizzy. So I ended up using this deep conditioner because when the hair was starting to dry, it's just like the mousse wasn't enough. I needed a little bit more. So this product was perfect. And as you can see, these waves look good. Here's the unit. It looks so gorgeous. I have my hair braided to the back. Can't even show you guys these braids because they are super old. They're still laid down pretty flat. I'm not going to glue my hair down today. I'm actually going to put this band that came with it. I'll put that on. It's on the 3rd notch. So yeah, it should be pretty tight. I'm gonna cut off these sideburns, or at least half of them. I'll probably leave just like, maybe leave a little bit. I don't know, maybe not leave any. So I always cut in sections. Got my top section, cutting as close as I can to the hairline. So I'm just going through and defining my part a little bit more. Come up through here. I got my Edge Booster Pomade Stick. Right here in my part. And in it, make sure it's distributed pretty even and laid down. Okay, so now I'm taking my Tymo straightening brush and just going all the way through the hair just to make sure this hair stays. So now I go in with my Gold Glueless foam gel, and this really just keeps it from moving. Meanwhile, I'm probably going to use this area right here for just a little bit of baby hair, not much. I really don't want to have too much baby hair at all. You want to like hike up the front part. This really is my go-to. Oh my gosh, look at the mess. I hate wasting product. It's really good. The lace even looks really good too. I probably could have plucked it more, but I just don't like plucking my curly hair as much because I feel like it always ends up thinning out. So now I am going to make just a few baby hairs right here, just a tad bit. Like I'm just going to cut this. First I start off by cutting them longer. Then I go back in and cut them shorter. And diagonal. Next I'm going to do a little bit up here too in this hairline because I cut off that extra, some of these extra hairs up here. So I'm going to go ahead and make just a little bit of baby hair in the front. Let's lay it down with the Gold Glueless again. Woo. Extra. I'm being so dramatic. I try to mess up my eyebrow. Not exactly, like I said, my best work with swooping baby hair into my hair. So, not my best work on baby hair today, but we're gonna keep it moving. Spray a little water and define this front part just again because I have been manipulating this hair so much, you know. So I'm using a little bit of this deep conditioner. It seems like the hair does very well with this conditioner, so I actually like the way this hair responds to the conditioner versus the mousse. It's like it did very well with the mousse and then it kind of got frizzy, but with this conditioner it does way better. It defines colored hair, color treated hair better. Oh yes, pretty. Okay, so I'm taking this comb here and I like to pick the hair out. Just went ahead and laid my actual edges off camera so you can see underneath there. I'm gonna keep that down anyway. Using my Fit Me powder. This is my go-to. I have yet to find something else that I like using more. can always tuck it behind your ear. That's cute. Forgot one thing. My free spray, especially for these flyaways. Got a few flyaways, not too bad. Really like this hair. I feel this hair is super cute. So one thing I'm going to say, a tip is when it comes to color treated curly hair, you have to find the product that defines it the best. I feel that using the product that I told you guys about was really good for this hair because mousse alone wasn't defining the curls the way I needed them to. It still had like a lot of frizziness, but overall, because color treated hair is always a little bit drier, but we work through that with products. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the back.